Hello, Bella. You look so pretty. You look very pretty this morning. Got bright sunshine, but it's cold. The high today is only going to be 48. October 6th. Yesterday got to 74 degrees. Now today, not so good. Windy. Gonna go down in the creek here. Film a little bit of the creek. There's no water in the creek, just leaves. Oh, it's just dry. That's how dry it is right now because there's usually water running here. You can see a little bit down there. Just a little bit of water. Floating on it. That makes it harder to see too. There's some erosion here. That's an old sawmill. Been sitting there for years. Yeah. Okay, now you can see a little water. Now you can see a little bench I made out of granite down there. It's kind of a cool place to just go and sit, contemplate. It's very peaceful down here. You can share your thoughts with God and be alone. Just you and the Lord. over a log here. Okay. I guess there's a little water running here. Just a little. Yeah, a little stream there. Let me try to cross here. That's a big wave. But it's so awful things. That's probably the biggest I've ever seen. Okay, made it across. This used to be all eaten down, just like a park in here, but I sold the sheep. The sheep were my lawnmowers. Now it's all grown back, all brushy. I'm coming up to the spot where the two streams meet. There's another one coming from the west. This one's coming from the south. We're going to walk up there and look down on this. I just about fell over. Okay, this is like a very narrow trail here. Okay, now you can see down a little bit, down into the creek. Almost to the top. Where we're going here. And we made it. This field was not grazed at all this year. Point here. year round. There's a little spring, and that's what feeds this. But you can see right down here is where the two come together. The junction on your left, that's the one that's coming from the north. And on your right, that's the one that has the little spring in it. And that comes from the west. And they both run into Crow Wing River. Here, just up ahead here. That's pretty. Wait a little bit longer, and be able to see everything because all these leaves will be on the ground. Maybe more trees, any leaves with leaves in them. So now we're going back down. So this is, I call this Spring Creek because from that direction, again, it's fed by a spring. It's probably 200 feet that way. It just bubbles out of the ground. It's cold. My fingers are numb from holding this camera. That's how cold it is down there. But it's beautiful. I don't know if I can get all the way to the river from here. It's only about 150 feet that way. Okay, we're right in the middle of the creek now. Okay. This is probably the least amount of water that I have seen in here. Ever, because I can't usually stand here in the middle of the creek when my feet are dry. So we're going to try to keep going forward to the river. Well, I'm going to try somewhere else to get out of here. Now my feet are wet. Oh, they're wet. That's the one west. Goes north. There's east. And this little stream is going south now. Ooh, it got deep right here. Okay. Okay. Got a little deep. Get out of here. Well, there you can see some flow. See, now we got more flow because we've got the met right back there where I was sunk in the bottom. That's where the two meet. The north and the west meet together. And now you can see the water. There's an old culvert there, but it's not working. The water's actually going around the culvert. Well, now it's one. Now we got one stream. I'll show you where I came from here. Came through the creek. I went up that hill, and then I came down the hill, right there, where the sun's shining. So, let's keep going. Follow the creek. I don't think we can get across it here. That's quite deep here. Oh yeah, we got. It's pretty view. Oh, we're so close. We're so close to the river. We could try. Last time I was in this section right here, it's boggy and muddy. I think because it's so dry, I might be able to get out of it. Not sinking in too bad.